The box with mass 25 kilograms is being pulled with 263 newtons of force at an angle of 24 degrees above the horizontal, and the coefficient of friction between the ground and the box is 0.7. What is the acceleration of the box to the nearest 0.1 meters per second square? Use g is equal to 10 meters per second square. Here is the box, and then here is the free body diagram. Okay, and the mass of the box is 25 kilograms. Now we will write the y direction forces. Sigma Fy is equal to Fn plus Fpy minus Fg is equal to 0, because there is no y direction motion. That is why acceleration is equal to 0. Therefore, this is equal to 0. Hence, Fn is equal to Fg minus Fpy. We know Fg is equal to mg, g is equal to 10, and then m is equal to 25 kilograms, and therefore Fg is equal to 250 newtons. Now, Fpy. Fp is equal to 263 newtons, and Fpy is equal to Fp sine theta, because this is the opposite side to the angle. That is why we have to take the sine component. So Fpy is equal to 143 newtons. 106.97 newtons. 106.97 newtons. 250 minus 106.97 is equal to 143 newtons. We know F friction is equal to mu Fn. Therefore, friction is equal to 0.7 times 143. F friction is equal to 100 newtons. Okay. Now we will write the x direction forces. Sigma Fx is equal to F applied minus F friction is equal to ma is the equation. And then here the x applied force is x component of the pull. So Fpx minus F friction is equal to ma, and Fpx is equal to Fp cos theta, that is equal to 263 cos 24, which gives 240 newtons. Therefore, 240 newtons minus 100 newtons is equal to 25a. A is equal to 5.6 meters per second square is the answer for this question. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye-bye.